Hey everyone, Eli with Lightning Carpet Care. Just getting ready to start pulling off the old vinyl wrap. I'm gonna start working on the letters first. Get ready to put this truck for sale after I clean it up and do a couple repairs. But yeah, this is gonna be a large task. Luckily it's not a full body wrap, but it's I guess they would call it a half body wrap or partial. And still got to do the windows and all that. But bought myself a heat gun, and that way I can start working little by little on this. Hopefully I can get good results without the adhesive sticking on there, but we'll see how it goes. The video, so I removed all the vinyl wrap, and when I bought the vehicle it was brand new paint, and as you can see the adhesive just pulled that paint right on out. I'm gonna be ready to put this thing on the market. Overall it turned out great. Took a little time, I want to say a little over 4 hours. So luckily it wasn't a full body wrap, but as you can see, it pulled that paint off like no tomorrow. And I already had a feeling it was going to happen because I had some repairs done on the wrap when I first did it, and the installer told me, you know, it's going to pull that paint, so I already had a feeling it was going to happen. So the tools that I used was a heat gun. I cleaned off the adhesive with some, I still have to clean the truck. As you can see, there's still a line there. But I just took off the adhesive. But I did use Goof Off, and it worked great.